Woo, doesn't this look so weird? It looks like I'm standing in like literally a giant abyss of nothingness. Which I mean, I guess I kind of am because there's literally nothing on the walls in here, but it's so weird. It looks like I'm like glowing in heaven or something. Woo, woo, woo. Hey, Hoosie. What is up, beautiful people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And today, even though it's been like more than a hot second since I've been in college, I thought it'd be fun today to go back to school and do a dorm decor makeover. Moving into my college dorm was one of the most exciting days of my whole life. You can see me right there. Look at that grid. I was freaking loving it. And by the way, yeah, in case you can't tell by this picture, this video is gonna be very extra. So today I'm gonna show you some quick, easy ways to make your dorm room look absolutely fabulous, just like you. So without further ado, here we go. DIY dorm decor makeover. Broke bitch style, of course. All right, so you ready to see the dorm? Welcome to Amber Scholl University. Okay, so this is what we're going to use as our dorm room. Obviously, this is not a real dorm room. It's actually a mattress on the floor. I know, I've been living in this apartment for almost a year and I still haven't done my bedroom, so what do you know? At least empty space is gonna come in handy for this video. So, if you haven't been to college before, basically all they give you is a plain desk, a plain bed, nothing on the walls, and it honestly looks like a worse version of this, believe it or not. But don't worry, we're gonna make this freaking fabulous. So we're just gonna head over to IKEA, pick up some stuff because I already bought a bunch of stuff on Amazon that I have to pick up also. So basically we're gonna run a couple errands first and then we're gonna come back and put it all together. So, are you ready? Great. Here we go. Alrighty, so I was gonna just go, but oh, this outfit of the day is too killer not to show. Like, look at that. Oh my goodness. Fire, look, mama. Fire, look. Anyways, that's all. We'll actually go now, so here we go. Onward ho. Okay, just kidding. We are not going to IKEA because I don't want to wait that long. So we're gonna go to Target instead. Alrighty, let's see what we can find. Gee, looks like everyone wanted to buy all the mirrors. Now what are we gonna do? Yes, Dorm Nation. I think this is all we're gonna get. Now we just need to go get our Amazon stuff. Alrighty, there we go. Yes, I literally went to an Amazon store to pick up stuff because I had to rush order all of this. I decided I wanted to do this video today. Boom, now that's what I call good editing. So, ta-da! Here we go. We have all these packages and like 6 more in the car. So that is how we're gonna decorate the room. So let's get started on the masterpiece. Alrighty, here we go real quick before we get started. You can see the before again. So what we're going to start out with is we're going to go ahead and hang lights across the wall. So for that, you can see we just got these little string lights on Amazon, and all you have to do is kind of unravel them a little bit because they're tangly. Then to hang those on the wall, we're going to use good old-fashioned command strips. By the way, the paint on my fingers, yeah, I was doing a project right before this, so that's what that is. Just pretend it's not there. So then you just go ahead and stick that hook right onto the wall like so. By the way, command strips are super great for apartments because they're damage-free hanging. Like, look at that. Boop, you just pull it right off the wall. How the heck does that work? I have no idea, but it's great for me. So, back to the hanging, we're just gonna go ahead and line them up all across the ceiling. Then you can just hook the lights right on there. You can see, like so. Then you just have to unwrap all the little bundles so they dangle down, and voila! There we go. And you can see real quick, we'll do some magic for you. Poof! Oh, it's amazing. We're done. Okay, no, just kidding. But we are done with that. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the bed. So what are we gonna do to this? Aha. So we're actually gonna take a bed canopy. This is called a mosquito net, but we're using it for aesthetic purposes only, though I guess great, no mosquitoes too. So we're gonna use one of those ceiling hooks, and you can just basically twist that into the ceiling like this, right above the bed. And then once that's all twisted in, you can just hang the bed canopy right on there until voila! Looking good, sis. Okay, so now we actually need to decorate the bed though, because this still looks bad. And everyone knows the best way to decorate your bed is with a big brown box. Just kidding, it's actually what's inside the box. This beautiful white thingamajigger bobber. This is actually a faux headboard, so in college you're going to get a plain mattress looking thing with either nothing or wood or something. So what we're gonna do is just go ahead and add that in. It's the easiest thing ever to install. You just literally put it there. And that's it. It's done. And now it looks like a glamorous, fancy queen bed. Not to mention this one has sparklies on it, and we all know I love sparklies. Now, of course, we gotta decorate the bed, so we're gonna use these little sheets that I also got on Amazon. I just thought the dusty rose would be really pretty. I'm not the best at installing sheets. They're still kind of wrinkly and it took me like 30 minutes, but I did the best that I could and now it looks great. That was freaking exhausting. Why is putting sheets on bed so hard? Like, no thanks, I don't need to go to the gym today. I put sheets on my bed. To top it off, we're gonna add a little white fuzzy blanket at the bottom and a little marble pillow that I got also on Amazon. Add a little extra decor there. You know what? I actually don't really like it that much, so we're gonna take it away. And there we go. The bed is killing it. The bed turned out so good. In fact, I watched Sex and the City in it last night while eating froyo, and let me just say, this bed is Amber Friday night approved. Now, moving along to the desk space, we're going to go ahead and put the mirror I got from Target up on that. Try to hide the mess there a little better by angling it different, but you know, hey, dance in the mess, live your life, it's fine. So now we're gonna go ahead and decorate the mirror. So I bought these really pretty flowers, and we're just gonna lay that across the mirror so it looks beautiful. Quick, easy DIY decor tip to make it fab. And as a little bonus, check it out. It lights up too. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm in like every shot when I film a mirror. Hi guys. So now to decorate the desk, we're gonna go ahead and take a marble placemat actually, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that to put my laptop on it. Of course you need a lamp because, you know, it's a desk and colleges aren't usually super well lit, so we got that little lamp. Something that you don't think about that you're definitely gonna need is a speaker because, well, trust me, you're gonna want one. You're also gonna want some late night snacks, so make sure you grab the candy. Of course, some beautifully fabulous pens. Look at those, such an aesthetic. Drop those in a little pencil container, maybe one that you made even. And of course, a little planner notebook to match because you want to stay on top of things while you're in school. For a chair, they usually provide a chair. I don't have a chair, so I'm using my piano bracket. But something to make your chair look a little more aesthetically pleasing is always to throw a little white fuzzy blankie on top of it. Just adds a little bit of luxury. And ta-da! Look at that desk! Oh, looks like a fairy princess desk. I love it. Now at this point, it's actually very, very late, per the usual, so I went ahead and actually went to bed and resumed my projects the next day with my end table. So to decorate the end table, the first thing that you need is a clock. This one is actually specifically designed for senior citizens to make it easier for them to know what day it is, and trust me, in college, this comes in hella handy. You need to keep your time and day and everything straight, so 10 out of 10 would recommend. We got a little marble tray as well to go ahead and put the necessities in, your phone, your keys, and a camera to capture all your fabulous memories. And other necessities too. Can't forget those. Above our fabulously informative alarm clock, we're also going to need a calendar because keeping a calendar in college is very, very important. So I went ahead and used command strips again for this to hang that up on the wall like so. Is this video sponsored by command strips or Amazon? No, but it totally should be, so guys, call me. Anywho's, looking groovy. Make sure you bring something from home too. For a lot of people, college is the first time you've ever lived by yourself, so pictures are a great way to remind you of your friends and fam back home. Though I'm gonna actually put some old college pictures in here. Look at these. How funny is this? This is me, Selena, Haletta, and Bailey at our spring formal. And this was actually back in my clubbing days. Oh God. So go ahead, throw some pics of you in there that you love, and that just makes it feel a little more homey and like your own space. And once that's done, go ahead, touch everything up, make it look fabulous, and drum roll please. Are you ready to see the finished product? All right, so again, here's the before. Dun, 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 dun. Welcome to dorm room heaven. All right, I'll go ahead and give you the grand finish tour right now. So you can see, of course, the bed turned out so fabulous. The lights just look freaking amazing. I went ahead and added the marble pillow back on there, but oh my goodness, it's like a magical cozy wonderland. Of course, our little side table looking so cute and good. Our little desk area looking again like a fairy princess wonderland, ready to do our schoolwork in style, and voila. I would say we did a damn fabulous job. Ah yes, thank you very much. Wow. Can I move in here? Oh, I can. It's actually my bedroom. Great. I'm snuggled up in my blanket because, weirdly enough, now it's cold in my apartment. It was so hot the other day, and now it's cold. I just can't win. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the silly little video. I hope you enjoyed my dorm decor makeover, even though it was technically a bedroom decor makeover. It doesn't matter. The ideas are all still the same, and considering we did the whole thing in 24 hours, I am pretty dang impressed if I do say so myself. Boop. Anyways, I guess we'll film the rest of this lying down, but I hope it inspired you to get a little creative with your decor and make your outside world match the inner you, because that just makes, you know, the inner you shine a little brighter too. By the way, real quick before I officially sign off and go to bed, because I am already all snuggly, a bunch of you guys are always asking me what my best advice for college is. So if you are lucky enough to get to go or are thinking about going or anything, my biggest advice is always absolutely live it to the absolute fullest extent that you can. Go to class, learn, and education is an amazing opportunity. Make sure you meet lots of friends. All my friends are still my best friends from college. Look at them. I mean, you've seen them in my videos. My ride or dies forever. Stay up late, go to the party, do your studying of course too, but your time in college will literally fly by. You will be amazed at how quick 4 years goes away, so make sure you just live every day to the absolute fullest potential that it can be. And even if you're not in college, that's some damn good advice. And with that, since I look like a literal bean sprout right now, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off, but I love you guys so very much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for lots more, well, whatever kind of content this has been lately, which is like really all over the place. If you want to watch me decorate my bedroom and pretend it's a dorm, subscribe. So I will see you guys next time. And wherever it is that life may take you, make sure you make it a little bit sparkly. I love ya, my sweet, beautiful, fabulous baby angels. XO. Something about this just isn't right yet. Ah, yes. Much better. So did you study for the test tomorrow? No? Me either.